BNPB 74 disaster hit Indonesia in early 2025. Jakarta, the National Disaster Management Agency or BNPB has reported 74 disaster in the first 13 days of 2025. Floods accounted for nearly 80 of these incidents. Based on recap of disaster in Indonesia in the first 13 days of 2025, we have recorded 74 disasters with floods making up 58 of those, or almost more than 80%, said Abdul Muhari, head of the BNPB Data Information and Communication Center, during a disaster briefing on Tuesday, 14 in January 2025. Abdul Muhari, also known as explained the high number of floods is due to Indonesia currently being in the rainy seasons. Additionally, regional conditions and a weak La Nina phenomenon have generally contributed to an increase in rainfall intensity across Indonesia compared to normal conditions. This increase in rainfall intensity has triggered an increase in the frequency and intensity of wet hydrometeorological disasters in Indonesia, he said. Furthermore, AM revealed that in the past week, from January 6 to 13, there were 48 disaster incidents. This means, according to AM, that on average there were 7 to 8 disasters per day occurring in Indonesia. From January 6 to 13, we had 48 disaster incidents. This is quite a significant number. So if they divide 48 by 6 or 7 days, there are around 7 to 8 disasters per day. That's quite significant, he said. There was one fatality due to extreme weather and 42,000 people were affected by floods. Looking at the spatial distribution, it covered Sumatra, Java, Sulawesi, and North Maluku. There were some flood incidents in Kalimantan, but they were not too significant in Sumatra. The flood incidents were actually quite widespread, starting from Aceh, North Sumatra, Riau to South Sumatra.